Today I show you what I believe is the best charger for batteries in IKEA. The IKEA Lada batteries are rechargeable batteries, nickel metal hydride batteries, which are made in Japan, and they are, to me, basically rebranded NLU batteries, which is great. And this is 15.99, so it's 16 euro, and there are two chargers with the same price. There is this one, the Jugo, and then there is this one, Litosfar. Litosfar sounds like light or something. Interesting. I kind of start to understand some of the names. Usually the names in IKEA, they are related to the product itself, what it means in Swedish for combination of names. Yeah, write in the comments what this means, Litosfar. So this is the charger. It's like a small box. It's very compact. You can even mount it on the wall. That's the product information there, specifications. If you want to read, you can pause it there to read it. I like the wall mounting option. And yeah, this opens like a little box there. And the best part, it has storage for batteries. I didn't see so far another IKEA charger for Lada batteries that has an actual storage, not just placing the batteries in the charger and letting them sit on the battery charger slots, but a place where you keep them like here. When you want to charge the batteries, you have individual charging circuits for each battery. This is really what you want to see every time. When the batteries are charged individually, the charging limit is reached for each one separately, and you have individual charging circuits when there is an LED light for each battery. So you remove a battery from one slot, you move it to another slot, it will light the battery charging light there. And also this thing has an indicator for a bad battery. And this type of power connector is very common. You find it in most devices. And yeah, the batteries are charging, and you can charge 2, 4, 6, 8 batteries at once. So it's 8 batteries could be charged at the same time on this one. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps you.